Big ideas start with small words, and we've got a great one today. Right here on Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is facilitate. Say it with me, facilitate. Let's go. Let's spell it together, ready? F-A-C-I-L-I-T-A-T-E. That spells facilitate. Fantastic. Facilitate means to make something easier or smoother to do. In real life, it's all about helping things happen more easily. Here are some words that mean the same as facilitate. Say them with me. Help, assist, aid, enable, simplify, manage, guide. Pause and review the synonyms. Each one adds more power to your vocabulary. Now here are the opposites of facilitate. Hinder, block, halt, obstruct, oppose, prevent, impede. Pause and review the antonyms. Now you know exactly what facilitate is not. Here's how we can use it. Sofia helped facilitate the group discussion. Let's review. Facilitate means to make something easier or smoother to do. Synonyms: help, assist, aid, enable, simplify, manage, guide. Antonyms: hinder, block, halt, obstruct, oppose, prevent, impede. You've got this, Word Explorer. Next time you help a friend, solve a problem, or make something easier, say to yourself, I just facilitated that. Give yourself a high five for using big words in real life. Here's your mission. Facilitate something today. Maybe help a sibling clean up, guide a teammate, or explain a tricky homework question. Then, tell someone exactly how you did it, using the word facilitate. The word facilitate is like a magic key. It unlocks smoother, easier ways to get things done. Use it and watch how your ideas flow, your teamwork shines, and your confidence grows. You're not just learning words, you're becoming a word-powered problem solver. Until next time, keep your words sharp and your ideas shining bright.